How do you see yourself? Are you embodying the qualities that will vibrate your energy? I attract abundance and blessings. I am beautiful. I radiate light and love. I am healthy, and each cell vibrates in the frequency of grace. I embody courage, willpower, and faith. I attract positive people and situations that nourish my heart. I am safe. I am playful. Success is a guarantee. I feel the oneness of grace, love, and fluidity. I remain curious like a child. I am bliss. I remain in devotion and humility. I am abundance in my wealth and health. I am grateful for this precious life. I am protected by the divine universe. I am grounded, and Mother Earth supports me always. I trust the flow of life. I plant seeds of hope, healing, and light. I am divine love. I am ready and capable to accomplish anything. I know I am worthy and capable to achieve all my dreams. I forgive myself and others. The only thing I need to control is how I respond to situations and people. I love myself. I am a divine miracle. I smile and shine like the sunflower. I love my body and nourish my divine temple with health, thoughts, people, and food. I forgive myself and others. Self-love is healthy boundaries. I express my truth from my soul. I use my voice to bless and inspire others. I am healthy. I live in a universe that attracts healing and well-being. I am magical. I am love. I am serenity. I am peace. I am sensitive, and this is a gift. I am compassionate. I am free. I am grace. I am loved by the divine universe. I'm worthy of love and being cherished. I'm worthy of being seen and heard. I am worthy of feeling safe and protected. I am.